once again to Don Bosco College, Kottayam. You are watching Bosco Campus Vision, the campus television channel of Kottayam Don Bosco College, and you are listening to the second lecture of the second unit of the syllabus, Informatics and Cyber Law. And in this lecture, we will discuss a short topic called knowledge management. In the previous lecture, we have defined what is knowledge, how knowledge is an important resource for every organization. We have discussed about the different types of knowledge. Now, in this lecture, we will talk about the management of knowledge, what are the goals of knowledge management, and what are the benefits of knowledge management. Now, what is knowledge management? Knowledge management is a collection of processes, a group of processes that governs the creation of knowledge, the dissemination, the transfer, the distribution of knowledge, and the utilization of knowledge. So, creation of new knowledge, transfer of knowledge, and the making use of, the utilization of knowledge is known as knowledge management. Knowledge management involves a range of strategies and practices used in an organization. The practices used in an organization to identify new knowledge, to create new knowledge, to represent knowledge, to distribute and enable adoption of insights and experiences. So, knowledge management is dealing with creating, distribution, utilization of new knowledges in an organization. We can say that knowledge management is essentially about getting the right knowledge to the right person at the right time. So, the right knowledge to the right person at the right time is known as knowledge management. It can include knowledge creation, it may focus on knowledge sharing, storage, refinement of knowledge, etc. So, knowledge management in short terms we can say it is getting the right knowledge to the right person at the right time. There is a definition that is given for knowledge management, and it can be defined as a conscious strategy for moving the right knowledge to the right people at the right time, which will be translated into action to improve the organizational performance. So, from this definition we can know the objective is to improve the organizational performance. Knowledge is a wonderful resource, and this can be managed well so that the performance of the organization is improved. It will help us to take actions, it will help us to make decisions that will help in improving the organization. So, the objective of knowledge management is performance or improvement of the performance of an organization. So, we can say that knowledge management is focusing on organizational objectives like better performance, improved performance, competitive advantage, innovation, and continuous improvement of the organization. As we have already mentioned, the knowledge management involves basically creation of knowledge, distribution of knowledge, renewal and application of knowledge that will help in the efficiency of the organization. It will help to improve the efficiency of the organization. The knowledge management will touch and improve every area of the organizational structure. For example, it will touch upon the product development, engineering and manufacturing sector, business processes, marketing, product delivery, customer relationship, and sales and distribution. So, knowledge management will touch upon every area of organizational structure, and it will help in bettering the efficiency of the organization. Experiences show that all the organizations that are successful, they have efficient knowledge management practices. Some of the examples are maybe the NIC, National Information Center, that employs efficient knowledge management practices, or in the commercial sector, organizations like Infosys, Ford, Dell, and many other organizations, many other successful organizations have efficient knowledge management practices. So, we can say that the success, the better performance, the efficiency in an organization is depending upon the knowledge management or management of a wonderful resource called knowledge. Having introduced and defined what is knowledge management, let us see what are the goals of knowledge management? We can say there are 4 goals for the knowledge management. The first goal of knowledge management is to capture knowledge. Now, how is this capturing of knowledge done? This goal is achieved by creating knowledge management repositories, knowledge management databases that will consist of documents or memos, articles, reports, etc. The first objective of knowledge management is to capture knowledge. The captured knowledge is kept in repositories consisting of memos, documents, articles, etc. The second objective, the second goal of knowledge management is to improve knowledge access. Knowledge access would mean that the gained knowledge is transferred to individuals, maybe to all the members of the organization. The gained knowledge, the captured knowledge, the collected knowledge is given to individuals and organizations. So, passing this knowledge to individuals and organizations will improve knowledge access. So, the second objective of knowledge management is to facilitate the transfer of knowledge between individuals and organizations. The third goal of knowledge management is to enhance knowledge environment. We know that the knowledge is present in the minds of people. The knowledge present in the minds of the people will help them to make decisions, especially in unknown context, when the context is uncertain. So, it will help us to make a decision, and knowledge management will provide an environment for the creation, transfer and appropriate use of the knowledge. So, third goal of knowledge management is it will enhance the knowledge management. It will enhance or it will facilitate an environment where knowledge is created, knowledge is used for making decisions. The fourth goal of knowledge management is to manage knowledge as an asset. We know that knowledge is a wonderful asset, it's a wonderful resource, just like any other resource in an organization. Knowledge is considered as a valuable asset. For the effective utilization of knowledge, it has to be properly managed. So, knowledge management will enable the effective use of this wonderful resource called knowledge. Thus, there are 4 goals for knowledge management. 1. To capture knowledge. 2. To improve knowledge access. 3. To enhance knowledge environment. And 4. To manage knowledge as an asset. Now, we will go on to discuss the last part of this short lecture. What are the benefits of knowledge management? The first benefit of knowledge management is optimum use of knowledge, maximum use of knowledge. Knowledge management will help an organization to make the maximum use of its gathered knowledge. The knowledge that is gathered from different sources are made use of in the best possible manner. The second important benefit of knowledge management is that knowledge management will lead to new knowledge. It is considered nowadays that knowledge management is the key driver to create new knowledge, and the new knowledge will lead to new innovative products, new innovative services, new innovative solutions. So, thus knowledge management will lead to the creation of new knowledge. The third benefit of knowledge management is better utilization of resources. One of the primary benefits of knowledge management is better utilization of all the resources of an organization. This can include everything from the knowledge that employees possess to the reports on sales, reports on marketing, reports on customer satisfaction. By maintaining and using this information effectively, the business organization can perform better. So, the third benefit of knowledge management is it will help to better utilize all the resources of an organization. The knowledge gained from within the organization, the knowledge gained from all its processes can be used for better utilization of all the resources of the company. The fourth benefit of knowledge management is the ability to solve problems. The ability to solve problems by learning from the past mistakes. The knowledge repository of the knowledge management will contain all the details of the past successes and the past failures. This knowledge gained from previous successes and failures can be wonderfully used by organization, maybe to improve the customer satisfaction or to improve the productivity of an organization. So, knowledge management will help to solve the problems in an organization. It can solve problems from the knowledge that is gained from previous successes and failures. The fifth benefit of knowledge management is that it will help in training the new employees. Another solid benefit of knowledge management is that it provides materials for training personnel. Both new and the current employees of the organization can benefit from the accumulated knowledge of an organization. This includes learning from mistakes and building on past successes. So, the knowledge management will help to train the new employees. It also will help to train the existing employees of the organization so that the performance of the organization can be much better. The sixth benefit of knowledge management is that it will improve communication. Strong knowledge management can improve communication within the organization, communication among the different departments of the organization, and this will help to unify all the employees of the organization. So, knowledge management will better the communication in an organization. The seventh benefit of knowledge management is better work allocation. It can help managers and executives to direct work to the appropriate person in an organization. Each organization contains a detailed knowledge about all the skills and capabilities of every personnel, every employee of the organization. So this feature of the knowledge management can be used for better work allocation. So the knowledge about the skills and capabilities of the different employees of the organization can avoid hiring people from outside. The organization can avoid too many personnel for its needs. With this, we are coming to the end of this short lecture, the second lecture of Unit 2 of Informatics and Cyber Law. And in this lecture, we have considered one small topic called knowledge management. We have described what is knowledge management. We said knowledge management is very important for the performance, for improving the performance of an organization, for improving the efficiency of an organization. The knowledge management can improve every area of the organizational structure. We also discussed about some of the goals, 4 different goals of knowledge management and the different benefits of knowledge management. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you for your patient listening, and we hope to meet you again for our next lecture soon.